بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. گلوبل پیس فاؤنڈیشن ایک انٹرنیشنل آرگنائزیشن ہے جس نے لندن میں کے ہلٹن ہوٹل میں کچھ سال قبل 3 روزہ کانفرنس منعقد کی اور انٹرنیشنل سطح پر دوسرے ملکوں میں بھی کانفرنسز منعقد کرتے ہیں. اس کانفرنس میں 14 ممالک کے جو ایکس پریزیڈنٹس تھے، سابق صدر، انہوں نے بھی شرکت کی. اس میں یوکے کے کافی شہروں سے مختلف مذاہب کے نمائندوں کو دعوت دی گئی. مجھے بھی انوائٹ کیا گیا. وہاں پر پیس کے امن کے حوالے سے خطابات ہوئے. اب یہ جو میں دکھا رہا ہوں، اس میں اس سنڈے لوکل سطح پر برمنگھم میں مسلمان، عیسائی، یہودی، سکھ، بدھ مت اور ہندو مذاہب کے لوکل نمائندوں کو دعوت دی گئی. اس میں پیس اور امن کے حوالے سے خطابات ہوئے. مجھے بھی اس میں انوائٹ کیا گیا. میں نے کہا اس کی آپ کو میں دکھا دوں. تو اس میں یہ کہا جاتا ہے کہ ہر مذہب کے لوگ آپس میں ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ پیار، محبت، ہارمنی، پیس، امن کے ساتھ رہیں. میں بھی آپ کو دکھاتا ہوں مختصر سی، جو کہ یہ 1.5 گھنٹے کی تھی، آپ کو مختصر سے دکھاؤں گا.
Now Pastor Elaine, representing the Christian tradition.
What I do has been in their best interest, if you please, as Abraham and the Christian man, to do something about what I see that is not right, something that I see that is depressing, something that I see that needs help. Love motivates me so much. So finally, I have some questions for me, the Christian man, and the Christians, and in fact everybody. How do we understand the issues that we are facing in our society today? I've heard them named here already. But Mother Teresa said, I can do things you cannot do. You can do things I cannot do. And together we can make a great difference. Thank you so much.
That last quotation was one of my better half's favourites. So she's smiling somewhere. Oh yeah, at the back. Thank you, Carl. Thank you. Now it's my turn to conclude. So I'm just going to set up the projector and a couple of slides to show you. 1 second. Can I just ask those of you at the back, if we speak right into the microphone, is the sound quality okay? Yeah. You can hear? All right, very good. I should have said 101 years and counting. So now 2 of our distinguished speakers. I'm going to invite in a moment Dr. Pyara Singh Bogle He is a member of the National Sikh Council of the UK, also chairman of the Council of Sikh Gurdwaras in our neck of the woods, an umbrella organisation for I think 23 Gurdwaras or so, representing the Sikh community, which is around 70,000 I believe. The council is responsible for holding the largest outdoor Vaisakhi celebration outside of India every year for 100,000, and runs a radio station, Radio Vaisakhi, where Dr. Bogle often speaks. And finally, he's helped to establish a community development trust in Birmingham, whose goal is to create one of the truly great intercultural neighbourhoods. So I'd like to invite Dr. Pyara Singh Bogle to address us. Thank you.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you for inviting us here. And we got excellent members here from Birmingham Council of Faiths as well. But I'd like to share this shabad from the Sikh faith.
Also chair of the community's Jewish Council, an umbrella organisation for all the community organisations, and involved with Jewish students attending Birmingham universities, also visiting schools and adult groups to speak about Judaism. And she's been engaged with interfaith work for more than 30 years, a long time. Privileged to be chair of the Birmingham Council of Faiths, and also the Council of Christians and Jews, which some of you will be familiar with. And very importantly, a founding and active member of Lisa Nashim, a wonderful women's group which promotes Muslim-Jewish dialogue and social action. And she says she's very grateful to have had the chance to engage with so many people of different faiths, as we're doing today, or no faith, and it continues to be a very meaningful and enriching part of her life. I'd like to invite Ruth to share with us. Thank you.
Only I was 50. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for inviting me today. I think what we've heard so far is that people of faith all share that same sense of responsibility. So if every different faith present here were to speak, you pretty well hear all the same stuff, only we all have to dress it up in our own faith. I'm a member of the Birmingham Jewish community, and we are much smaller probably than virtually every other faith community here. In this city, we're about 1,500 Jewish people in Birmingham, so a very small community. And yet we do feel very strongly that we have to punch our weight or above our weight.
He's the light of heaven and earth, the stars and generates from God. So whoever God we believe in is the source of that light. And in our hearts, that light then gets aligned with the whole faith and harmony which we want to spread, as we, Carlos was saying, hope, peace, humanitarian help. So with this foundation, I work with the Muslim community. We want to develop and empower Muslim women here in Britain, as well as we are in contact with various other faiths or no faith, want to work for the interfaith harmony, as well as we are working towards the relief in various parts of the world. So at this time, I am bringing you the Yemen.
Let's go for refreshment. Hi,
They are wearing nice stuff.
Let's go back. But it was preparation from your event.
Yeah. That's how I went.
really good. Congratulations. We got you in there. We got you in there. Very good. Okay, we need to meet. Yeah, we need to meet. So maybe we'll see another time.
Organize us as always.
Yeah, I think it would be great.